717. In this video, it's Friday. Currently on driving the Jimmy, hopefully getting some tires for it. Going to this little auto place. They have used tires, so I'm going to see if I can get some used tires for it, and hopefully we can make something happen. So we're just about there, and I'll kind of show you the tire selection that they have, and we can go from there. And hopefully, if things work out, I got a big surprise for the channel. So, we have rims here as well. This is L&M Tire in Abbottstown, Pennsylvania. 5x4.5. There's some Audi wheels. Sun wheel. Dodge. There's some vet wheels. Bunch of metal wheels. So we got down here bunch of 6 lugs here. Some 5 lugs. There's some Jeep reels over there. I wonder if they have any rims that I could even use. What's this over here? There's 8 lug wheels. Really nice 8 lug wheels there. I like those. They're cool looking. There's some Chevy takeoff wheels. They're probably 8x180. Not too bad looking. The factory Chevy there. Some of these wheels might work. Maybe like those. Well, that's just one of them, but that's a 4 lug. There's some Mustang wheels there. Mustang. There's some 20s. There's some tires here. It says 15s, but I don't see any 15-inch. These are all 18s. Yeah, these are all 18s, it looks like. Here's all 19s. Here's the 37s by 20s. Yep. Looks like there's 4 of those. $295.70 18s. Not too bad. Not quite a 35, I believe. I'm gonna keep on looking here. What's this say? These say 240. There's 17s there. These are all 18s. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got done at the tire shop. Got some pricing. They had some like cheaper all-terrains, and they wanted 150 mounted and balanced for a tire, and that was for basically a 30-inch tire. It was 255 70 15. And then they also had more of like a highway grade tire that was 140 a piece. And I always think their prices are pretty high. And I didn't show on the video, but I did find some rims there. The rims I currently have, when I bought them, I didn't realize it, but they are 5x4.5, so like a Jeep lug rim. So I had to get some wheel adapters to get them to fit, and they had some pretty nice steel rims, and they would have been perfect. They were 5x4 and 4.75, or 5x4 3/4. They would have fit perfectly, and they wanted 45 a piece, so it was like 180 for them. So if I can find some tires yet, I just don't really feel like spending $600 for a set of tires for my beater truck. So it's just not worth it to me when the tires cost more than the actual truck itself. So I'm gonna keep on hunting here. I just called another place, and I'm waiting for them to call me back on some pricing for some tires. This place is Buyer's Tire in Dover. I typically buy most of my stuff there. I know L&M had used tires, and they did have some 30 by 9.5s, but they only had 3 of them, and obviously I need 4. So kind of sucks on that one, but yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of deal with that, and I'll touch base with you guys a little bit later on, and we will go from there. So sorry, just passed a cop, but anyway, so just kind of waiting for buyers to call me, and I got another place. I did get pricing at another place, and it was a really cheap all-terrain. It was more of like a mud terrain, and they wanted 450 for 4 tires mounted and balanced, which I didn't think was too bad. I never heard of the brand. It's some knockoff tire. So if anything, I can always do that. I just don't really want to spend that kind of money. So I'm currently looking online right now to see if I can find some used ones. So we'll see what we can come up with, but until then, I'm just gonna kind of wait for buyers to call me, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so just got out of the tire place. I got some pricing. The first one was an all-terrain. It was a Cooper tire, all-terrain tire, and they wanted 150 mounted and balanced, and the size was a 255 70 15, which is I believe a 30-inch tall tire. And then the other tire I found was more of a highway grade tire. It didn't really have too much tread gap in between, I guess you would call that. And that was the same size, and they wanted 140 a tire. So I just didn't really want to have to spend like $600 or so for 4 new tires. So I'm going to keep on looking right now. And then also, I did find some rims there. The rims that I currently have on the truck, on the Jimmy here, are actually... Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got pulled over. Currently my inspection's out. Was trying to get that going here this week or whatever. I was trying to get tires, so was trying to tell the cop that, and he was kind of adamant that it shows 1117 on the inspection sticker, so couldn't really get around that one there. So kind of sucks. It was like $140 ticket I got. So that's kind of why I stopped the video really short there. But I'm currently right now going to get new tires put on. I was looking at I was talking to buyers, and I was kind of talking to him a little bit, and I currently have 265 75 15s on, which is like a 31, and I was looking at pricing for a 255 65 or 265 or 255 70 15. Sorry, I'm getting my numbers all confused. And it was like 550 for 4 of them, mount and balance installed, and that was for like a decent one. And then I could have got a really cheap like knockoff for 480 installed. And he said, honestly, he's like, if you want, he's like, drop down to a 235 75 15, which is actually what was on my the stock wheels and tires. I think that's what I'm going to go with. I got him to order me a set. I'm currently driving there. He actually had, I think he had them in stock, so I'm going to have them installed here, and then I'm going to call a couple inspection places and see if I can get this turd inspected, and hopefully we should be good then. This kind of bites, kind of sucks. I wasn't expecting to get pulled over. I mean, obviously I was in the wrong, but oh well. So we kind of live and learn, and so now I got to pay a $141 fine. So, but luckily it doesn't go against my I guess my record or anything like that. The guy was saying he was really nice, and also was caring, so that was fun. He actually was pretty nice about it. He's like, as long as you don't go near it, I don't care. So it wasn't too bad. So now I'm just gonna go to buyers and sit there and have them install my tires, and then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna look around for an inspection shop, because the one that I usually go to, he is booked until this upcoming weekend, and that's not gonna work. So just gotta do that, I guess. So I'm just gonna see if there's any other ones around here, and we can go from there. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get this beast inspected today. Hey guys, just out here enjoying the this afternoon with my son. He's in there playing with his tractors, staring at me, but just working a little bit. I got new tires put on. I'll kind of show them to you there, but they are just 235 75 15s. They are Wild Trail all-terrains. Sorry, I had to look there quick. And then today, just wanted to kind of show you, I got the, come over to this side of the truck here, got the all the sticker residue off. I still have the dent here, but I still got that. Got my little guy here with me. Where is he at? There he is. So got him with me a little bit. We're just kind of working with this a little bit. So, but I do have that off. And I actually went and looked at a 2002 GMC Sonoma crew cab, which I'll show a picture right now. I'll show a picture of it. Guy wants to trade even up and needs a little bit of work. He was saying that the first to second shift was a little firm. He said he replaced, he had the transmission rebuilt, but he said it still seems to be doing the same thing. And then also that the brakes are a little soft, which figured they just need bled or something, or just checked out. So I'm thinking about doing that. It's a little bit newer. It's a black crew cab, like I said before. So we're gonna see what we can get into there. I went and looked at it a little bit ago. So it's about 20 minutes from my house. So we're gonna try to do that, and I'm just gonna talk to my neighbor here and just see what he can come up with. We'll see if we can get something working out. So just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. I'm going to show you a little bit better picture of it, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to show you pictures of the wheels, and well, you can go from there. Here's the new tires that we just got installed. I got they're the 235 75 15s. I was talking to the guy at Buyer's Tire, and the 255s, 7015s were like $100 more, and I just didn't feel like spending the money. So just kind of using these for right now. Got my son here playing. He got his, just bought him this little John Deere tractor. So he's over here playing with it. I just got some new wheels and tires. They're Wild Trails. I don't know if I said that before, but they are the Wild Trail all-terrains. They drive really, really nice, and they're fairly reasonable. I paid $420 for all four mounted and balanced, which I didn't think was too bad. But I did just go and look at a 2002 GMC Sonoma to possibly trade. Oop. Sorry, my son just fell. But anyways, just kind of figure out if I want to trade the guy. It needs a little bit of work. He was saying that it shifts. It takes a while to shift from first to second. So I'm thinking it's like either a solenoid that went bad or something. He said it shifts fine, and it also just needs a battery. I went and met him and was hoping to hear it run, but the battery was completely shot. So I told him I wanted to think about it a little bit. I think I'm going to tell him I definitely need to hear the thing run before I even consider the trade, and we'll hopefully we can work something out. If not really worried about it. And I did say in the previous video here that I had some big plan or a surprise coming up. It kind of got postponed. Still trying to work with the guy to figure out a day to meet up and pick up this surprise. So hopefully it'll be either this week or next week. Kind of getting antsy on it. I'm really excited for it. I think it'll be fun for the channel. And I guess the only thing I really did do was I got this side all cleaned up here. This had the sticker residue all over it, so I got that cleaned up at work today, and still got to pull off the dent, so I'm going to do that, and just a couple other odds and ends things. So I'm going to do a little bit of research here, and then I'll get in touch with this guy and see if we can work something out with this Sonoma. So I think I'm just going to stop it here for this week. I do have a little bit of update on the golf cart. Got a lot done. I got the rear swing arm done, so I'm going to do a separate video on that. I got to get over to my buddy's house and take some more videos of that. I kind of been slacking it. We've just been working like crazy over there, and I've been doing some other odds and ends stuff around the house. So had a busy week. So but I'm going to stop it here. Hopefully you like this video. I know it's kind of boring, just kind of doing little updates here and there. But that's kind of what happened this week, and we will hopefully see you next week. So please like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for videos to come.